And like an idiot, I shifted into gear trying to give it some power right before it stalled out. Now I can't get it back into neutral to fire it up. Right now I'm trying to take this fuel line off. All I have is these pair of pliers to get this engine running again. And a pocket knife. So my goal here, I think, there's this pin way back down and deep. I don't want to lose it, but I think that's going to let me turn it back into neutral. I was able to remove that little pin that was deep in there, and I did lose it. It's down in there somewhere. But I was able to disconnect the gear shifter. And I'm able to slide that out. So hopefully I can get it back into neutral and have a shot at firing it back up. That's the goal. This is fun stuff. We're having fun. I was not able to get the motor back into neutral to have a shot at starting it. But we're cruising through Navy Point, and we're going to troll as long as we can. So we're going to fish the shoreline, a little jerk bait. Any docks we pass along the way. There's about a 10-minute ride over here with the motor. So with the trolling motor, it's going to be quite a while. Put this little fish bite on here, this little butt kicker. We on God's plan today. Luckily I don't have to be at work until 5 today. Thought I was gonna come out here and make a quick little top water video. Some more top water bait. Hell, I'd be happy with one fish on the day like today. Slowly but surely. These people are skiing, having a good old time. We're about to run out of battery. About to have to start paddling. There we go. I know what you are. Come on, sugar. Oh yeah, flat boy. Come on. Don't measure for me there, Poppy. Ooh, you lucky son of a gun. This is where we're going to pull a boat out of. Alright. We made it back to the boat ramp. Pick up the truck and the trailer. Go back and pick up the boat. That was the first pull, cold start. These little Nissan engines are great.